Hey, happy Sunday. It is open house day here in Aurora in the Inspiration neighborhood. We're at 9037 South Catawba Street. Open house today until 3 p.m. Come check it out. I am sans gimbal today, so I'm going to spare you the bouncy video. Just kind of hit some of the high notes of this home and put the link to the property in the comments. Here we go. Oop, wrong button. There's my hand. Okay, so we are in the Inspiration neighborhood, newly built homes. This place is gorgeous on a beautiful Sunday afternoon and any day. So I'm going to hit the front of the house first. Zoom out, get the whole thing. So this home, while it may not look it from the street, we are in about 5,000 square feet. And it's on a third of an acre lot, corner lot, beautiful views out back. That's where we're going to end this video. Like I said, I'm not going to do the whole home. You can check it out on the website. It's readygroupkw.com/property/inspiration. Nobody wants to see a bouncy video anyways. Let's just end it out here. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely stunning. Like I said, third of an acre on the corner, nobody behind you. You literally have one neighbor. Come check it out. It's 9037 South Catawba Street. Again, it's readygroupkw.com/property/inspiration as the name of the neighborhood.